In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot Prompt Coach to write effective prompts. We're going to cover a lot of topics in logical order, so follow it till the end. This video is available in 9 different languages. You can select the language by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom. The first question is, where is Copilot Prompt Coach? It's available for free Copilot as well as paid Copilot. So open a browser tab, go to this link, m365copilot.com, and log in. Now we are in the chat window. Below that, you should see agents, and you will find Explore Agents. When you click on it, you will see Built by Microsoft, and under it, you should see Prompt Coach. The exact list of agents which you see here may not match what you see, but Prompt Coach you should certainly see. In case you don't see Prompt Coach or any other agent for that matter, that means your IT or security team has blocked agents as a concept. If that is the case, show this video to them and tell them why is it important so that they enable at least the agents created by Microsoft. It's extremely safe to use these agents and your data is protected. Click on Prompt Coach, click on the add button, and now it gets added here. So now you have a choice. This is the regular Copilot chat and this is Prompt Coach. You can add more agents here. The recently used 5 agents are listed here. But we don't want to lose this agent, so pin it. Click on the pin button. Now what can Prompt Coach do? The best way to understand that is to click on See More. Scroll down, you will see Prompt Gallery. It can do 6 things. Prompt generation, that means you just describe what you want and it will create a prompt. Or you already have a prompt written, you just want feedback as to how it can be enhanced, and it'll give you a detailed description of what is missing and how to add it. Sometimes you have already written a prompt, but before you put it in chat, you want to check, is it following the guidelines which are set? Then, if it is not, then it will repair the prompt for you. If you just want to learn how to write effective prompts, you can ask specific questions and it will teach you. Probably the most important for us is fix my prompt. Means I have written a prompt, but I want Prompt Coach to improve it for me. And if you are just starting off and you want to see how good prompts look like, click on this. Now it adds that here, submit the prompt, and it'll give you 3 prompts. And for each prompt, it is telling me this is the prompt and why is this prompt good? Because a prompt is supposed to have 4 things: goal, the context, source, and expectation. Next, let's see how to use Prompt Coach to improve a prompt I have already written. So I'm asking Prompt Coach to improve my prompt and I'll specify the prompt as well. Remember, this is not Copilot chat, so it's not going to give me the list of array functions. It's going to improve my prompt. So this is the original prompt and this is the improved prompt. So it's telling me I have added specific details about scope and improved structure. But it's not ending it there. And that's the good part of Prompt Coach. It's saying there are some additional clarifications I need from you. Because in the case of Excel, array functions have been there for 40 years, but they are called legacy. The new functions, Excel 365 functions, are more powerful and faster. So it's asking me, do you want this one or that one? So I'm saying all functions. So whichever questions it is asking, the relevant questions you answer here. You don't have to say question 1 answer, question 2 answer. Just answer them in any order. Ideally, I would like it as a table. I don't want to exclude VBA functions. Let it do its job. So I'm not answering the third question at all. Now I'm submitting it again. It's repairing the prompt one more time. And this is our final prompt. It's now incorporated the table and also specified the table columns. So now that I've got this prompt, I select it, copy it. Now I go to the regular Copilot chat and paste it. And this is going to give me much better results. So that's the way in which you use Prompt Coach. Next, let's see a shortcut way of using the same Prompt Coach. Now I am in chat. I want to use Prompt Coach. So you click on the plus sign and we have an option chat with an agent. So click on the plus sign and click on this option or simply type @ sign. It will show you all the agents which you have installed. In our case, it's only one. Now we are chatting with Prompt Coach. I'm going to give exactly the same prompt, and this time I'll just accept the first one. I'll select the improved prompt for now, copy it, and now I want to put it in Copilot chat. I'm already there, except that I'm talking with Prompt Coach right now. So click on this cross. Now we are in normal chat, and I can paste it here and run it directly. So that's another way of using Prompt Coach or any other agent @agent name. Now that we have seen the base capability, let's dive deeper and understand how Prompt Coach can completely transform the way you use Copilot and any other AI tool. One of the most frequent uses of Copilot is for summarizing files. So here is a file, PDF, 114 pages. It's a very important report from Microsoft, talks about cybersecurity. We will do it in two steps. First, I'm going to run summary as a regular prompt. And second, we'll improve the prompt using Prompt Coach and run it again, and then see the difference. I'm going to do a simple summary using Copilot. Summarize Digital Defense Report 24. This is how most people would end up summarizing documents. So it's showing me scope, key threats, nation state threats. So it has done a good job of the summary, no doubt. Now, in another tab, I am opening Prompt Coach and I'm asking it to improve this prompt. Even though I'm asking it to improve the prompt, I'm still going to refer to the file. Look at the improved prompt. What the prompt coach did is it didn't give me the summary of the file, but it did go into the file, understand its content, and it built a better prompt for me. It's also telling me in greater detail how did it improve my prompt. So let's say I want to specify the target audience. This is for executive briefing. I want it in detail, but I want it in simplified language because the target audience is not technical. Let's submit it again. Look at the difference. We had a one line prompt and now we have a much more comprehensive one. Copy it, go to the regular Copilot chat. But when I paste it, the file reference which we had originally put has just become text. So I'll have to add the file reference manually one more time. Now our revised prompt is ready. Let's submit it. So here are the results. It's formatted like an executive brief, key trends, role of cybersecurity, election, organizational security. Broad topics are same, but look at the level of detail and the changes in the formatting. Because it is for executives, it's saying strategic actions for leaders. Then it will also suggest some additional action items or suggested prompts. So that's the difference between just another prompt and an effective prompt. Prompt Coach understands different types of Copilot and AI tools. So here is an example. I have a CSV file, but I want to create a prompt for analyzing the CSV in Excel as well as the separate dedicated analyst agent. Let me show you the CSV first. It's simple transactional data, city, date, month, year, card, and so on. So now I'm asking Copilot Prompt Coach to create a prompt for me for two different types of Copilot. And I'm going to give reference to that CSV file. So first of all, it's understanding the structure of the CSV, and then it's giving me two separate prompts. One prompt I should be using inside Excel's Copilot, and the other prompt is going to be for Analyst Agent. And you can see, depending on the capabilities of the target Copilot, it has changed the phraseology. It's also telling me, do you want to ask for advanced analytics in the Analyst Agent? I will say yes. And now it will differentiate the prompts even more. So this is the revised prompt for the Analyst Agent. So what did we learn here? It's not just about improving prompts. It's equally important to tell the prompt coach where you intend to use the prompt and it will refine it even further. The next topic we are going to cover is revolutionary. It's called switching roles of Copilot. Copilot is designed to be an assistant, but Copilot can switch into different roles. Now, what are the different roles you may want and why? Here are some examples. Now, how do you ask Copilot to switch roles? The only way to communicate with Copilot is through a prompt. So I'm going to take an example. I want Prompt Coach to give me a detailed prompt so that I can switch Copilot's role from assistant to a negotiator. So here is an example. This is regular Copilot chat, and I'm asking it, I want to buy a car. How do I get the best deal? Give me some guidance. Because when you go to buy a car, there is a lot of negotiation involved. So it has given me some details and it has also given me some negotiation tips. But I want Copilot to give me much more detail about how do I negotiate a better deal. Let's go to Prompt Coach. I am asking Prompt Coach to give me a detailed prompt to switch the role of Copilot to a negotiator. Prompt Coach is asking me further questions. So I'm going to give some relevant answers. It still has a question. Is it for business context or personal? So here is the final prompt. It has given much more detail about how should Copilot behave. I'm copying this. Let's go to chat, paste this prompt as it is. I'm just submitting the prompt. Let it give me some output. I'm not interested in the output right now. I'm not even looking at the answer. I go to the prompt itself, click on it, and now we have a very useful button here called Save Prompt, Role Negotiator. Now, once I save this prompt, I can reuse this prompt anytime I want negotiation guidance. So let me go to chat, turn on GPT-5, and now I want to buy that car. Now, before I put the car related message, I go to See More, Prompt Gallery, My Prompts, and here is the negotiator role. Click on it. Now the role switch prompt is inside the chat. And then I have put my actual prompt now. It says I want to buy a car and guide me on how do I negotiate in the best possible way. And look at the difference. First, it is showing me negotiation opportunity analysis, dealer behavior, leverage points. Then it's actually giving me a sample negotiation script. It's giving me specific tips. Obviously, if I study this properly, I will be able to crack a much better deal. So, bottom line, what did we learn here? Use Prompt Coach to identify the roles which you need in your day to day work, personal or professional. Create role prompts for each, save them, and then you can use Copilot much more effectively than it just being an assistant to you. The last scenario I'm talking about, it can refine your prompt to give you multiple viewpoints. I'm giving it a scenario and then asking it to build a prompt. I'm the CEO. I want to conduct meetings without emails. I want to implement this SOP and I want to look at it from different points of view because depending on the type of person, they may look at it differently. The best practice is same. Depending on the type of person, they may look at it differently. So these three perspectives I want to include. You want to improve meetings. What are you using? So obviously, Teams in this case. Now it's going to refine the prompt and give me the final one. It's not ending there. It's saying, okay, that's a good idea. Do you have the SOP or you want me to build it for you? So prompt coach is not just a didactic prompt coach which says you should put 1, 2, 3, 4 in a prompt. It's way better than that. It's your friend philosopher guide on the journey to more effective use of Copilot. Another refinement to notice is that in the prompt area, there is a dictation button. So if you are describing something and asking prompt coach to create a better prompt, instead of typing, you can just click on this button and describe what you want in greater detail because talking is much faster than typing. And then Copilot Prompt Coach will refine it as expected. I hope you found this useful. Use Prompt Coach for every important prompt from now onwards. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.